In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pips in TradingView effectively using the Measure tool, sometimes also referred to as the Ruler tool. TradingView is a powerful platform for both amateur and professional traders, providing insights and tools that can enhance your trading strategy. When analyzing charts, measuring pips accurately is crucial, as it gives you a clear understanding of price movements and helps in planning your trade entries and exits. Let's start by using the Measure tool. First, you'll want to locate the tool itself. On your TradingView interface, look to the left-hand side of the chart. Here, you'll find various icons representing different tools for charting. Among them, there is a ruler icon. This is the Measure tool we're going to use first. You can select it by simply clicking on the ruler icon, or alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, just press the Shift key, and it will activate the tool for you. When this tool is activated, you can now click on the starting point you're interested in on the price chart. Click with your mouse and keep the button pressed. Then, drag your cursor to the end point of your interest. As you do this, a shaded box will appear on the chart. This is where the magic happens because this box visually represents the measurement between your two selected points. To the right of this box, you'll see several important values displayed. This includes the total price change, given in points, percentage, and perhaps most importantly, in pips. This allows you to see, at a glance, how much the price has moved within your specified range. In addition to the Measure tool, TradingView offers another handy tool that can help you visualize your trades more effectively, the long or short position drawing tool. This tool is fantastic if you're planning trades because it allows you to simulate potential entry and exit points. To use it, simply add the long or short position tool to your chart. Then drag it to your desired points. What's great about this tool is it automatically shows the number of pips between your entry and stop loss or take profit levels, giving you ready access to critical data that can inform your trading decisions. Whether you're using the straightforward Measure tool or the more advanced long or short position tool, TradingView empowers you with the details you need to execute informed trading strategies. By accurately reading pips and understanding the potential implications on your trades, you're setting yourself up for more strategic and potentially successful trading outcomes. So dive in, explore these tools, and let them enhance your charting experience. Happy trading!